Today I'm going to be reviewing with you how to manage your Google Calendar. The big advantage of a Google Calendar is that you can do multiple calendars on multiple events. So first thing I'm going to show you is how to get to your Google Calendar. Right now I am at google.com. If I'm signed in, you see I'm signed in, I've got my information here. I'm going to click on this little grid in the right hand corner. Top right hand corner has 9 little dots. Click on that and I'm going to come down here, right there, calendar. This is going to pull up my Google Calendar. Over here on the left hand side, these are my calendars, each one of those. Everybody starts off with one default calendar. It's going to have your name on it right there. So on my default calendar, I'm going to turn off all my other calendars here. You can see that there's no dots on them. That's my default calendar. I can choose on my default calendar what color I want it to be displayed. If I would rather have green be my default calendar, that's fine. Whatever color you want it to do, that's going to be your default calendar. Now you wonder, how do I get these other calendars? What I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to click on this right here, next to the little arrow box next to my calendars, and I'm just going to say create a new calendar. For this example, we have a new technology club in junior high. It's the JH Tech Club. I want to create a calendar that we can use to keep track of the events just in the club. Now, it's not important that these are actually on my personal calendar. It's kind of for the good of the club. I can also share this calendar with everybody in the club so that they can see what's going on. So the first thing I'm going to do is just JH Tech Club, and I'm going to say create calendar. Now, as you'll see, when I come into here, here's the JH Tech Club. I don't want it to be green. I'm going to have the Tech Club. I want it to be purple. So when I'm going to create an event now, I click anywhere on my calendar. I'm going to create just a test event. This is the calendar it's going to go on. Right now, the default is set to my personal calendar. I'm creating an event for the JH Tech Club, so I'm going to change that. Now I can come over here and I can click edit the event details. I can put anything I need about it. So this is my test event. It's going to happen, let's see, on the 23rd from 1 to 2 p.m. Well, let's go ahead and have it happen Monday and Tuesday. Both of those days. It ends, just for those, it's going to end after 3 occurrences. So it's going to happen 3 times. Click done. Click save. Okay. Now, you see, I made it happen where it happened on Monday and Tuesday. The nice thing about a Google Calendar, when you've created your events in here, is that if you want to move the event, like let's say this is no longer going to happen on that, it's moving to Thursday. I just drag it over to where I'm going to happen. It needs to happen earlier. It's going to happen right there. So now let's say I want to share this calendar. So I'm going to come down. I clicked on the arrow next to the calendar, and I'm going to click share this calendar. From here, I can have some choices here. I want to share this calendar with others. Go ahead and check this box. I want to share this calendar with everybody at Woden ISD. If I don't want to share it with everyone at Woden ISD, I'm not going to check that box. Or I want to make this calendar public. I can also share it with particular people. Say, for instance, I'm going to share it with my daughter, Kira. 20 K Holzefeld at student.wodenisd.org. I just want her to see the events and details. If I came over here, I could also make it to where she can make changes and she can add stuff. That's up to you on how you want to set that. Just go ahead and click save. I made it public, and I made it to where Kira had access to it. Now, I don't always want to see what's going on in this calendar, so I can turn on this calendar or off this calendar. It's still there. All the events are still there. It's just what I'm choosing to see at any given time. Right down here, this is our Woden ISD calendar. This is the calendar that you see on the web page. From here, I can actually combine it where I'm seeing it with my events. I can turn off my personal calendar where you see it or you don't see it. That's up to what I want to view at the time. There you have it. That's a few little features of the Google Calendar and how to share that calendar with others. Have a great day.